we're painting a super easy, super cute little landscape. So get your paint. White, blue, more white, pink or red. Oh yeah, and black. Big flat brush, medium round brush. Oh, and big brush, blue, white, all over the place. I'm dipping in blue, I'm dipping in white, and I'm just Xing. Just let it mix, let it do pretty things. That's delightful. Sometimes I like to go over it right when it's like right before dry and just lightly X. And it just makes it so soft. I'm just feathering over it and it's just lovely and fun. Ooh, it's kind of like clouds. Lovely, lovely. Dip it in blue, smooshing it around. Like to here-ish? Don't worry about this part yet. Stop and rinse your brush. White. Start from the bottom and paint up towards the blue. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of white on that line between blue and white, but don't worry about making it perfect at all. Let it mix in with that blue a little if it wants to. Give it a little zig-a-zig-ah if you want to. Rinse your brush and let it dry. Grab a little chalk and chalk in a heart shape, like at an angle. Like kind of like this. Just a line that comes out of the heart shape. And branch it up, branch it. And then stomp. Get your paint. We're dipping in black. Start by painting those straight lines that you just drew. It's okay if it's messy. We're going to make it thicker. Some bumps. Ooh, let's have it come out a little, like a little leg. Ooh. Just adding some little wiggles down at the bottom. Wiggle, maybe a little wiggle. Bump. A lot thicker at the bottom. So when you're doing branches, thicker, pushing hard, thinner, pulling off. Go back a little. We can always thicken it up where it attaches. We can go like this. Yeah. And branches come off of branches. Branches come off of branches. Come off of branches. Come off of branches. The harder you push, the thicker your line. Push, pull, push, pull. Give them a little wiggle. And we're only kind of vaguely following this heart shape. Add a little white to your black on your brush and get a gray. Loosely highlight this tree. So pick one side that the light would be coming from. A really dabby, not perfect line that follows the shape. few little lines. That's nice. Rinse your brush and let it dry. So far, I like this. So far, it's pretty. And we're about to make it prettier with some nice little pink leaves. Small brush, pink or red or anything really. Pick a color. We're just gonna dab, 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 dab. Nice and random. Big ones, small ones. And they don't even have to stay on the branches. I'm still kind of following the shape of my heart here. Yes. You little blobbies on the ground here under the tree. Blobs. That's it. Random, random. Few little floating hearts. That's a dab, 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 dab. Maybe just a few little dot, dot, dots. They're falling on the ground. Dab, 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 dab. Don't rinse your brush. Add a whole bunch more white to get a lighter pink. Same thing. We're going to dab some leaves. Right on top of the dark ones. But don't cover all the dark ones because they're pretty, and let them peek through and, you know. How about some on these hearts, the big ones? Add a few little light pink floaty guys. Ooh, little floaty guys. A few on the ground. Stop. You have enough leaves. Stop. Okay, stop. That's cute.